Hi, I'm Maya.
And I'm Erin.
And it's
Time for art.
Perfect.
And today we're going to be making pinecone animals, but more specifically, a bunny.
For today's craft, you're going to be needing a pine cone, a pink and brown piece of paper, 2 googly eyes, your Sharpie, skull glue, and a pair of scissors. So as you can see, we cut out all the pieces you need for your pine cone. Your ears, your nose, your whiskers, and your eyeballs. And next step, you're going to glue them all to your pine cone. And this is your final result. And remember, it doesn't have to be just a bunny rabbit. It can be a lion, tiger, or bear.
Oh my! So I hope you guys had as much fun as we did making this, and I hope to see you next time on
It's time for art.